Okay, so maybe you've learned a lot about investing in stocks and maybe picked out some stocks and things are good. And it's like, okay, well, that's great, but how do I actually go about buying them? What are the mechanics involved of actually buying the stock? It's like, I want to buy this stock, or I want to buy this stock mutual fund or exchange traded fund. How do I do it? Where do I go? Who helps me with such things? And that's where we're going to talk about here in this particular section, where we review all the different types of services that are out there on how you can buy and sell or trade stocks. We're going to look at the different types from full service brokers or brokerage houses, which is the traditional kind of, when you think about buying stocks, you go through a broker houses, but now there's a lot of different options out there. You have discount brokers or online brokers where you can get a lot more discounts involved with your buying and selling of stocks. There's online robotic or online robo financial planners where they're in between a stockbroker and a full service financial planner that gives you some advice or at least some ideas around building a portfolio. There's financial planners who not only help you with stocks, but they might help you with bonds and cash and other things and a total investment picture and all other things such as insurance and things a financial planner would be involved with. You can even buy, in some cases, a few cases, buy stock directly from a company. And we'll talk about how you can do that and which companies might offer such services. So I'll give you examples of well-known companies in each of these areas and different options that you have in there. I'm not recommending anybody in particular. It all depends on your particular need. You might like to use a financial planner versus, let's say, a stockbroker or versus an online type solution. They're all a little different, but you're going to be able to understand from this section what are the advantages and disadvantages of each of these types, and then you can decide, well, what's the best fit for me? Also understand the information changes frequently, especially with online investing and some of these robo investors and others where they might change things frequently, so be aware of that and always keep on top of that and do your due diligence as far as what works for you. If you feel more comfortable with investing on your own, you've learned some stuff in the course, you're like, I can handle this on my own, well then maybe like an online discount broker might be a way to go for you, or even a robo financial planner. If you're somebody who says, no, I need a little bit more help and want some help around my whole financial picture, just not investing in stocks, but in bonds and cash and insurance and a lot of other things, well maybe a financial planner would be the best choice for you. Either way, it's about you and your choice, but here we're going to give you the information on each of these things so you can make a good choice. So with that, let's go ahead and get started in this section and learn about different ways that you can go about buying stocks.